Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your phone to your SkyQ box. First, ensure both your phone and SkyQ box are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Next, download either the SkyGo app or the SkyQ app from your phone's app store. Once installed, open the app and sign in using your Sky ID. This initial setup is crucial for seamless integration and access to all features. The SkyGo app transforms your phone into a portable TV. You can effortlessly browse and watch hundreds of live TV channels, just like on your main screen. It also provides access to a vast library of on-demand content. A fantastic feature is the ability to download recordings from your SkyQ box, allowing you to enjoy your favorite shows offline, perfect for travel or commutes. Beyond watching, the SkyQ app offers powerful remote control capabilities. Your phone becomes a convenient remote, letting you navigate menus, change channels, and control playback with ease. You can also set new recordings and manage your entire planner directly from your device, even when you're not in the same room. It's a truly versatile tool. If you encounter any connection issues, a simple restart of both your phone and SkyQ box often resolves the problem. Always check for the latest app updates to ensure you have the most stable and feature-rich version. Finally, confirm your Wi-Fi signal is strong and consistent, as a weak connection can disrupt the link between your phone and the SkyQ box.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.